Hey everyone, welcome back to Inks and Sight, the channel where we break down big ideas from best-selling books to help you level up in life. If you've ever struggled with staying consistent, breaking bad habits, or just becoming a better version of yourself, this summary is for you. Let's start with the basics. What exactly are atomic habits? The word atomic means small, but also powerful. James Clear describes atomic habits as tiny changes that, when repeated consistently, lead to massive results. Think of it like compound interest, but for your behaviour. Small wins stacked over time create big transformation. Instead of saying, I want to lose 20 pounds, say, I'll walk for 10 minutes every day after lunch. Simple, repeatable, atomic. You do not rise to the level of your goals. You fall to the level of your systems. James Clear. James lays out 4 laws of behaviour change to build good habits and break bad ones. Let's walk through them with real-life examples. Law 1. Make it obvious. Our habits often run on autopilot. The trick is to design your environment to cue good behaviour. Want to read more? Put a book on your pillow. Trying to floss? Place the floss next to your toothbrush. Out of sight, out of mind. So flip that. Law 2. Make it attractive. We're more likely to do things that feel rewarding. James talks about something called temptation bundling. Only listen to your favourite podcast while working out. Now the workout becomes something you look forward to. Law 3. Make it easy. Forget about motivation. Make the habit so simple, it's almost harder not to do it. Want to write daily? Set a 2-minute timer and just start typing. No pressure to be perfect, just build the routine. Law 4. Make it satisfying. The more satisfying a habit feels, the more likely you'll repeat it. Use a habit tracker, cross off days on a calendar, use an app, or reward yourself with something small. Progress feels good. And here's the bonus. When breaking a bad habit, just flip the 4 laws. Make it invisible, unattractive, hard, and unsatisfying. Now, here's the most powerful idea from the book. Focus on who you want to become, not just what you want to achieve. Don't say, I want to run a marathon. Say, I'm becoming the kind of person who doesn't miss a run. Each time you show up, even for just 5 minutes, you're casting a vote for the identity you want to build. Jordan hated working out. He began with 1 push-up a day. Just 1. Now he trains 5 days a week. Small actions, big change. That's the power of atomic habits. So let's recap. Habits are the compound interest of self-improvement. Use the 4 laws to shape your behaviour. Focus on who you want to become. And always start small. Stay consistent, make it satisfying. Remember this, big change doesn't happen all at once. It happens bit by bit, one small habit at a time. And if this video helped you understand atomic habits better, do me a favour. Like this video, share it with someone who needs it, and hit subscribe for more life-changing book summaries right here on Inks and Sight. Thanks for watching, and keep building better habits, one small step at a time.